Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that the job you spent years building no longer has any value in the job market. Not because you were bad at it, not because you were lazy, but simply because you didn't know how to work with artificial intelligence. So the real question is, when will it be your job's turn? In this video, we're going to clearly break down what AI is actually doing to different jobs, which careers are relatively safe, and which ones are at risk, and most importantly, how you can protect your job in the age of AI. Let's start with a hard truth. AI is not here to make everyone unemployed, and it's not just a fancy tool either. So what is it here for? The answer is simple. AI is here to change the rules of the game. In the past, what mattered was how well you could do your job. Today, what matters is how well you can do the right job using the right tools. AI isn't replacing jobs as much as it's filtering people. Those who adapt will stay. Those who resist will slowly disappear. Now let's look at how different jobs are affected by AI. Category 1. Jobs that won't disappear anytime soon. These jobs have something AI doesn't: human understanding. Think about a therapist talking to someone in distress, a manager making decisions in a real crisis, or a mentor who genuinely changes someone's life. Here, information alone isn't enough. Judgment, experience, and human emotion matter. These jobs won't disappear, but even they will fall behind without AI awareness. Category 2. Jobs where ignoring AI means getting replaced. This is the most dangerous category because many people think they're safe. Designers, programmers, content creators, digital marketers. Is AI going to replace them? No, but imagine two people. One finishes a task in 5 hours. The other does the same task in 30 minutes using AI. Who do you think keeps the job? AI won't take your job. Someone who knows how to use AI will. Category 3. Jobs that become stronger with AI. For some professions, AI acts like a powerful assistant. A doctor using intelligent analysis before making a decision. An engineer spotting errors before execution. An architect exploring dozens of scenarios in minutes. Here, AI doesn't replace humans. It frees them from repetitive work so they can focus on what truly matters: better decisions. Category 4. Jobs with a very uncertain future. This part is uncomfortable but necessary. Jobs that are repetitive, rule-based, and require little creativity or judgment, like basic administrative roles or fully scripted customer support. These jobs may not disappear tomorrow, but in the near future, they will either be automated or lose most of their value. So the real question is, how do you protect your job? The good news is it's not too late. There are 3 simple but critical steps. First, use AI. Don't just talk about it. Even basic usage is better than ignoring it. Second, increase the human value of your work. Things AI can't replace: judgment, creativity, human connection, decision-making. Third, learn how to solve problems, not just follow instructions. People who only execute orders are the first to be replaced. The future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the most adaptable. AI is here whether you like it or not. The only question is, do you want to be a spectator or someone who rides the wave? Tell me in the comments how this video made you feel. Did it give you a wake-up call about your job? I talk more about AI on this channel. Subscribe so you don't lose me.